Alright, YouTube. So, been having a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust. It's been white. From what I've read, it has a lot to do with water. And I just emptied out the old gas from the gas tank. I have replaced the MAF sensor, the O2 sensor. I've flushed the coolant. I have done pretty much everything and anything besides replacing a head gasket and catalytic converter, since the catalytic converter wasn't making any noise when I was knocking on it. I'm almost on E. Doing a bit of revving so I can show you guys what the aftermath is. Hopefully I can make it out there in time. This is what I get. Just steam, white smoke, always coming out. And let me grab a flashlight. Look at this. All that is spitting out of the tailpipe. Just when I rev it like I was just showing you guys though. So, you know, I'm like at a loss. I don't know what else to do with it other than have some guy come down, diagnose it. I've torn this bitch apart, taken the ECU out, see if it was fried. Everything's working good. I've played with the fuse box down here. Yeah, I mean, I have done everything and anything I can to get this sumbitch working, and she don't want to work. So I'm asking for your guys' help, because I'm getting a high NOX reading whenever I get it smogged. In the great state of California, you have to get it smogged. And if I can't get this thing smogged, I don't know what else to do. Let me pop open the hood so you guys can see the filter and everything under there. I even cleaned the filter. I flushed the system, replaced the battery. So this is the air filter we have running. I believe it's a K&N cone. You know, dual overhead, V6, no squeaking. I replaced the serpentine belt. You know, that shouldn't have anything to do with high NOx. I have no EGR valve or anything back here. I know a lot of the cars that I've seen online all have a bunch of stuff back here. I don't have shit. All I got is my filter, which is actually working properly now. I got the broken tail light, but reverse light, I mean. That shouldn't make any difference. You know, it's not running milky or anything like that. If you look, crystal clear. Radiator hasn't been losing any fluid. Reservoir still has fluid. I need a miracle or one of you guys to point me in the right direction. Really appreciate it, and hopefully I can get this beast running, because I really want to take her out. Thanks.